Spreading system installation. Unfold the arms and remove the front housing. Twist to disconnect the level meter connecting cable. Disconnect the ultrasonic flow meter connecting cable. Pull out the tank outlet pipe. Pull out the pipe between the flow meter and the pump. Remove the tank. Pull out the pipes fixed on the arm, which are connected to the pump. Remove the screws. Unplug the connecting cable between the spring system adapter and the pump. Be careful when unplugging the connector. Do not shake it while unplugging. Remove the screws from the carbon plate of the pump. Disassemble the carbon plate for the pump after removing the screws. Install the spreading system. The motor of the spreader should face the tail of the drone. Plug in the spreader connecting cable to the flight control unit. The side with the arrow pattern should face the flight control unit. Be careful when plugging in the connector. Do not shake it while plugging. Tighten the screws. Install the front housing. The spreading system installation is completed. Spreading system calibration. Tips for calibration. Place the drone on a plane surface during the calibration. The drone should not move during the calibration. Otherwise, the spreader calibration will fail. During the calibration, do not add extra force to the container and the spreader, such as pressing the container or holding it by hand. Open the Agricultural Assistant app on the RC. Click Setting after the drone is connected. Choose Air-Jet Spreader as the operation mode. Click Confirm. Slide down to find the weight sensor resetting. Click Reset. Check the key value of the weight sensor on the spreading system. Key value is the serial number of the sensor. Click Confirm. Find the granule list and click Manage. Enter the name of the new granule in the blank. Take rice as an example. Click OK. Choose rice as the granule type. Set the fan speed to 0 so the granule will not be blown out. Slide down to Granule Calibration and click Calibration. Follow the prompts on the RC. Step 1. Place the drone on a plane surface and keep it 50 cm above the ground. Click Complete. Step 2. Click Peel. Step 3. Fill the container with at least 20 kg of granule. Then click Start Calibration. Do not touch the drone until the calibration is completed. Please operate the above calibration steps for every new granule type. That's the end of this tutorial.